Oh, hello, Mitchell.
Hi, Abraham. Is everything okay? You look tired.
Very tired, Mitchell. I just became the homeroom teacher of Class 5E. God, this is terrible.
Did something happen?
The young students refuse to sit still. They talk to and tease each other. I've taken all measures, from yelling to talking. I even thought about beating them up.
Oh, I understand. Teaching young children is indeed a difficult thing, especially for young teachers like you.
I feel like I don't have enough patience.
Patience is essential when teaching younger children. Is it because of the content of the lesson?
I'm not sure. The teachers observing the lesson all rated me well. Besides, the students also understand.
How do you know?
I give them regular tests. The students all do well, although not excellently.
So it's clearly not because of your knowledge. To me, you don't have enough experience to comfort children.
Oh, what a headache. What about you, Mitchell? You are a homeroom teacher of a more mature class. That's wonderful.
Well, I don't think so. Those 11th grade students, I cannot understand their language.
Oh, I heard how the tertiary students talk. It's not that difficult to understand if you use the internet enough.
That's the problem. I am not young enough to use the internet as much as you guys anymore. Furthermore, the students think we don't understand anything about them and refuse to share with me.
Do you have any criticism about the students' lifestyle, such as clothes, hobbies, opinions, etc.?
Never, Abraham. You know that respecting everyone is my principle. I think maybe they see me as an old-fashioned man. Alas, I have been teaching for 30 years. I can no longer keep up with the youth.
Well, it's difficult. How can we tackle this problem? Bingo!
What's that, Abraham?
Simple. While you have a lot of experience and patience with children, I am closer and communicate better with teenagers. What do you think?
You mean?
We will exchange our classes.
Right.
By that, teenagers will be more interested in the lessons.
Correct, and I can be considerate of the children.
So we will discuss it with the principal to rearrange the classes. It'll be better tested in a month.
But hey, Abraham, what about the lessons? I have prepared lectures specifically for 11th grade students.
Oh, I have a new method. Look at this. Lectures will be constructed based on this module with outlines and headings, and that helps you edit the content yourself. You can teach any class.
Great.
Let's go meet the principal.
Number 1. Homeroom teacher. Meaning, a teacher who is typically assigned to a specific group of students, called a homeroom, for the entire school year. Example, I just became the homeroom teacher of Class 5E. Number 2. Tease. Meaning, make fun of or attempt to provoke a person or animal in a playful way. Example, they talk to and tease each other. Number 3. Patience. Meaning, the capacity to accept or tolerate delay, trouble, or suffering without getting angry or upset. Example, I feel like I don't have enough patience. 4. Observe. Meaning, notice or perceive something and register it as being significant. Example, the teachers observing the lesson all rated me well. Number 5. Regular tests. Meaning, a test that is performed regularly to see how well students understand the knowledge. Example, I perform regular tests. Number 6. Comfort. Meaning, ease the grief or distress of, console. Example, you don't have enough experience to comfort children. Number 7, tertiary, meaning third in order or level. Example, I heard how the tertiary students talk. Number 8, principal, meaning the person with the highest authority or most important position in an organization, institution, or group. Example, so we will discuss it with the principal to rearrange the classes. Number 9, lecture, meaning an educational talk to an audience, especially to students in a university or college. Example, I have prepared lectures specifically for 11th grade students. Number 10, module, meaning concise unit of study composed of theoretical and practical content, which can be delivered to learners by using technological and computational resources. Example, lectures will be constructed based on this module. 11. Headings, meaning a title at the head of a page or section of a book. Example, with outline and headings, which helps you edit the content yourself. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.